The most critical part of this work is to loosen these 5 bolts using a Torx T30 5-point security bit. There is very limited space, and hence very difficult to apply enough forward force to prevent slipping of the bit and also to apply enough torque to break and lose it. I had to use a plier to do that. When all 5 bolts are loosened, we can remove the bolts one by one. Need to be very careful when the last one is taken out, because the spring can pop out and fall into the engine. I will show how the spring should be stretched at the end. We may need to rotate the VTC actuator to access the bolts. To do that, the engine should be rotated clockwise direction until the bolt reaches to an appropriate location that we can handle. This a VTC of another vehicle that had the same cold start rattling issue, but it was replaced by a new one. You can see the lid is pushed out by the spring when we take out last bolt. The spring was around 26 mm before stretched and 33 after. We need to be very careful when we assemble it back, as spring can jump out, and sometimes it can bend. We need T30 5-point Torx security bit. The normal 6.1 does not work. I could find this one on Amazon, but a little bit longer. If you are buying it, buy a shorter one like this, and then probably you can use a ratchet. As this one is around 50 mm, I had to use a 1/4 inch wrench to rotate the bit.